My name is Vince Carpino. I'm Vice President of TK Produce in Toronto, Canada. We are an importing wholesale produce company. In 2019, we purchased a Deepchill icing system that has helped our production, our speed, and our quality. In the past, we would send our product out to a typical old-fashioned ice processor who would inject ice in chunks into our box. Since we got Deepchill, our production is in-house. It's much faster, it's more efficient, and it's more cost-friendly. We probably dropped our icing charge by about 45%. And the best part about it is that the ice that we put in with Deepchill is long-lasting. It gives us a longer shelf life. It melts very slowly, and it really fills up the box. We get every nook and cranny in the box, as opposed to just the top layer. And we could have ice on a product for 2 weeks. So the customer gets the product and has ice for the entire time that they own the product, as opposed to it's melting in the store and causing, other problems. So they're very happy. One of the other things that we really like about the system is on the food safety side. The ice is contained, it's not exposed. Anything that goes into the box comes from our dispenser, so to speak, and goes right into the box. It really can't be tampered with. The other great thing about Deepchill is that we can ice in a much more efficient, timely fashion. It's not labor intensive. We basically can ice with 2 people. What that creates for us is Deepchill has allowed us to respond to an order quickly. We're not waiting. We get the product in, and within a couple of hours, we're ready to ship. And in our business, timing is everything. Deepchill has really helped us respond to our customers' needs.